Friends, welcome to my channel Nomad Ganesh. Today I will be showing you that country. Its name is Bhutan. It is a neighbor to India and China. It has very attractive and fancy gates which are available in nearby every city. These are various designs. Bhutan roads are absolutely well till tempo. After that there is some roads issue, and while entering monastery you will find these white flags. It's a sign of peace. Monasteries, there are several monasteries in the Thimphu, and there are different kinds of plants are available which are you won't find in neighboring countries. Also the views of mountain, valleys, and skies and clouds. It makes astonishing. It is also has nature beauty and its friendliness, and its people are very innovative and friendly in nature. Bhutan has really fascinating me in terms of friendliness and natural beauty, and Bhutan is unique, innovative. Bhutan takes great measures to protect their cultural identity and natural environment, which consists of 72% forest. There are many other things that Bhutan does which puts them in another league. When compared to the rest of the world, Bhutan is the world's only country which has banned the sale and consumption of tobacco. It absorbs more CO2 than it gives out, making them carbon negative. Carbon negative country, and it has largest exporter of renewable energies in the neighboring region. Bhutan population is around 8 lakhs, and it has vastly distributed among the country. To visit Bhutan, Indian citizen needs passport. If passport don't have, you can also have your election card. To visit Bhutan, you need a visiting permit to visit Bhutan. You don't require a visa for Indian to visit Bhutan, and you have to pay some amount, nominal amount, which is used to fund the education of Bhutanese people. It is a great cause by which Bhutan maintains its education. In Bhutan, their government will provide free education and free healthcare facility to all the citizens of Bhutan. For that, they don't need to pay anything. It is all maintained by government and funded by government. And the statue which you see in this frame, this cost this $200 million, and it is situated near Thimphu on the hills of entrance of Thimphu city. Huge structure of sitting Buddha in Bhutan. Bhutan also have the road transport. They don't have trains, as the country is hilly country, so they don't have trains. Also, they don't have water transport, as most of the pop- citizens live near hills or near to base of the hills. Their homes are made up of wood and sometimes concrete and cement. Also, they are made of wood. Wood houses are also there in Bhutan. Bhutans teach English and Dzongkha language as a language as a curriculum in the schools. Bhutan co-relationship with the happiness of its people. Bhutan consistently ranks as the happiest country in Asia and top 10 in the world overall. Maybe the rest of world should take Bhutan's lead in this video. I did my best to sum up Bhutan's in less than 5 minutes.